ready for the show. I'm about to take down, you already know. Get the fuck out of my face now, yeah, you gotta go. Man, I'm on the chase now, leave me on my own. I got a chance to break now, here I fucking go. Take control of fate now, I control my flow. And I know that I'll be great, how putting on a show. I know that I'ma stay loud, drowning out the noise. The haters always thinking that they could fucking break me. They're better off eating their own words like pastries. Hate me, and you better find some fucking safety. I'm coming in hot like a bad bitch and pasties. They can't save me, no I ain't lazy, no. But society has me going so crazy, yo. Don't blame me, no my mind's hazy, yo. And I'm sick of me feeling this way daily. I'll always live my life till it's over, and I will not forgive those who hold me down. And I will never give up, I'm moving forward. And I will never miss my chance, take it now. And I will always live my life till it's over. And I will never give those who hold me down. And I will never give up, I'm moving forward. And I will never miss my chance, take it now. You got one life, so lead it right. Keep your friends tight and your family in sight. Never cease to fight for the things you think are right, cause you just might find you control your own mind, eh? You'll be fine, eh? Just take your time, eh? Enjoy the climb, eh? Enjoy the grind, eh? You never really know what's on the other side till you give that shit a try. Know the limit is the sky, eh? Make them take it back, what they said about you. Every time they doubt you, make that shit about you. Forget about the clout, yo. Fuck the word of mouth, yo. Keep your head down, yo. Work until you're found, yo. Fight until you make it, yo. Don't think it, no, just take it. Don't wait for someone to break it. Take control and don't just fake it, eh? You can make it happen, you just gotta take some action. Take the ship and be the captain. Head on out and don't look back, yeah. I will always live my life till it's over, and I will not forgive those who hold me down. And I will never give up, I'm moving forward. And I will never miss my chance, take it now. And I will always live my life till it's over. And I will not forgive those who hold me down. And I will never give up, I'm moving forward. And I will never miss my chance, take it now.
Checking my phone for a notification. They've been looking so happy, like everyone be on the road to vacation. But I know they look for acceptance with every post they've been faking. And they gon' be mad when I say this, yeah. But now the only reason anybody's on the internet is so they can make each other jealous, not for the hell of it. And ain't nobody clicking on the like without a benefit. You fake insomnia about a fake another sedative. Like goddamn, wonder who I can trust. Fake shit on Snapchat, just abusing the love. I wonder who my real friends be, if deep inside they feel empty. So I grab another MD, look at my phone, I'm checking stories from the best week. Wonder if I threw it on the ground then I'd be set free. Hands behind my back, I hope the internet arrests me. But it's looking at me like I'm never doing nothing right. Like I've been at this 5 years, you would think that I make something tight. But I'll save it for another night. Low burnt out jogger, might as well go in the fucking light. Yeah.
'Cause everything I love is already burned out. I've been breathing, floating, thinking somehow find our way into the sundown, to the sun.
Yeah, media foreshadowing my demise. Don't you act so surprised, oh yeah. Look at me, you might go blind. Future too bright, I pretend I don't mind. Let me find another catfish. Everybody trying to tell me they knew I was that kid. I wasn't a bad kid, but they always kept tabs on me like I'm about to drop ass. I was getting fucking decent every class, so they decided I should pop another pill to go